What is good, YouTube? Today we'll be doing a review and on foot of probably the most unappreciated dunk out right now. So if you're new to the channel, welcome to Q Soul Kicks. Here we have it, the Nike Dunk Low Hyper Cobalt. Heading into the details of the shoe, you have the Nike branding on the tongue in red, Nike embroidered in black on the heel, orange Nike branding on the inside of the shoe, as well as the blue Nike branding on the bottom. The entire shoe features a very stiff leather, not the best in quality, but it is only a $100 pair of sneakers, so nothing to really complain about. You have blue leather across the overlays, black leather on the toe box, the side panels, the collars, as well as on the back of the heel. Sock liner is all blue, black insoles, black tongue, and the shoe also features some blue laces, which is slightly lighter than the blue surrounding leather. And last but not least, you have a all white midsole all around, sitting right on top of that all blue outsole. Now, as far as comfort for this shoe, I recommend going true to size. It fits perfect. I wear a true size 7. I got a size 7 in this shoe. Fits very, very perfect, snug. It just feels good. I recommend going true to size. If you like more room, then of course, go up a half size. My overall opinion on the shoe, I like how it looks, me personally. At first, when I seen pictures, I was like, that's way too much blue, way too much black. But when I get it in hand, it's not a bad shoe at all. Only $100. Of course, the leather could be better, but for a $100 sneaker, you know Nike not going crazy on the leather. They haven't been going crazy on the leather for any of the dunks that released this year, so I'm not surprised. But it is a dope sneaker. And one thing that I would like to do, I will show you on the I will show you on the on foot. I'm going to be switching these laces out with white laces. I wish it did come with an extra set of white laces, but I'll just take it out of another shoe. Because to me, the only knock on the shoe is the blue laces. I think that's why people don't like it. That's just too much blue. And the fact that this blue doesn't match the blue leather around, it just looks kind of tacky. So I'll be switching out with the white laces to bring more of this white midsole out and make it pop, stand out a little bit more. Overall, I believe it's just a nice sneaker. It's not crazy, it's not anything special, but it is a sneaker. And as you know, summer is coming up. The Nike Dunk Low is a summer essential sneaker. So go out there. I know resale value for a lot of these dunks are going crazy, but you got dunks like this and the UNLVs, super underrated, super dope shoes that are not going for a lot of money. So I definitely recommend snagging those pairs up before, hopefully, I cross your fingers, hopefully before they go up in resale value. I'm telling you, snag a pair, put some white laces in these, and you will fall in love with them. I guarantee it. That's gonna wrap it up for this review. Stay tuned for the on foot at the end. I will be showing you these blue laces as well as a pair of white laces. Definitely a beautiful shoe. With that being said, you know the quote, you know the motto to end it off is always aim high, spread love. I'm out.